Today, I want to talk about a major challenge in the creative industry in the era of artificial intelligence. With AI-generated art spreading rapidly, the boundary between human-made and machine-made work is becoming blurred. This project, OriginStamp, is our attempt to restore trust, protect artists, and create a new standard for authenticity in digital and traditional art. Our team consists of 4 members with complementary expertise. I, Kevin, am a full-stack Web3 developer who handles both front-end and smart contract back-end development. Ananda Kevin specializes in back-end development, ensuring the platform's core infrastructure is robust and scalable. Vincencius Kurniaputra focuses on front-end development, bringing our vision into an intuitive user interface. Meanwhile, Budi Komarudi works as a smart contract developer, responsible for designing and deploying our decentralized canisters on ICP. Together, we form a cross-functional team capable of delivering both technical depth and user-focused design. The problem we are addressing is the growing distrust in art authenticity. Recently, we've seen artists accused of using AI without disclosure, often facing online harassment, and in some cases, even deleting their accounts. This isn't an isolated issue. Accusations are multiplying, and the lack of a transparent way to prove whether artwork is genuinely human-made is eroding trust in the entire industry. At the same time, human-made art sales have dropped significantly, and collectors are growing hesitant to invest in works without verifiable provenance. Here we showcase real screenshots from social media where artists are publicly accused of using AI tools. These examples highlight just how severe and personal this problem has become. It is not simply about technology, it's about livelihoods, reputations, and the credibility of the creative process itself. Our solution is OriginStamp, a decentralized application built on ICP. The idea is simple but powerful. We record the creative process itself, step by step, and store it immutably on-chain. By doing this, we can issue dynamic NFT certificates that prove exactly how an artwork was created. Collectors, galleries, and the public can instantly verify whether an artist's work was produced authentically. This protects artists' intellectual property, restores trust in the market, and sets a new provenance standard in the AI era. When explaining how our system works, it's important to highlight the clear differences between digital art and physical art. For digital art, the entire process is seamless. Recording is fully automatic through our plugin, which integrates directly into the creative software the artist already uses. This means the artist doesn't need to take any extra steps. As soon as they create, the data is captured. The storage is handled exclusively on ICP canisters, optimized for speed and immutability. Because of this setup, verification happens in real time. Since only metadata is stored, the file sizes remain small, making the process both lightweight and efficient. From the artist's perspective, the effort required is minimal. On the other hand, physical art follows a slightly different flow. The recording is done manually through photo uploads of the artwork. Storage combines ICP with S3 integration, ensuring large image files can be handled without compromising permanence. However, unlike digital art, verification cannot be real-time. It happens in manual batches once the files are uploaded. The file sizes are naturally larger because high-quality images are required to preserve details. This also means that the artist or institution has to put in moderate effort to digitize and upload their works. This distinction shows how our platform adapts to the nature of the content. For digital art, it prioritizes automation and speed, while for physical art, it focuses on flexibility and scalability to handle larger files. The market opportunity is immense. Art authentication alone is projected to grow from $431 million in 2025 to $6.5 billion by 2034, representing a compound annual growth rate of 35%. Beyond authentication, digital art is estimated to reach a market size of $11.8 billion by 2030, and NFTs are forecasted to hit $211.7 billion in the same timeframe. Our primary targets include both digital and traditional artists, galleries seeking to protect provenance, collectors who demand trust, and NFT marketplaces that need better authenticity solutions. Our business model is designed for both accessibility and scalability. Artists and collectors will pay a small verification fee for each artwork certified through the platform. For professionals and institutions, we offer subscription plans that unlock premium features such as batch verification and detailed analytics. Additionally, we plan API integrations with NFT marketplaces, enabling provenance to be embedded seamlessly into existing ecosystems. In the future, we also see a major opportunity in ethical AI data licensing, where verified human-made works can be used responsibly to train AI models. To drive adoption, we are launching the Founding Artist Program, giving the first 1,000 artists free access to our certification tools. Unlike existing competitors such as Verisart, Artery, Proofy Did It, or Yakoa, OriginStamp provides provenance based not only on the final artwork, but on the full creative process. This process-based proof offers radical transparency that no one else provides. Combined with ICP's unique advantages, such as internet identity, on-chain data storage, reverse gas model, and high performance, we build a defensive moat that competitors cannot easily replicate. This positions OriginStamp as the most trustworthy and technically advanced platform for art authenticity. OriginStamp is deeply integrated with the Internet Computer Protocol. It leverages internet identity for secure, hardware-based authentication without seed phrases. It uses ICP's reverse gas model, where the platform itself covers transaction costs, ensuring a frictionless user experience. Our canisters store creative data directly on-chain, making storage efficient and affordable, while ICP's high speed and true decentralization provide both performance and longevity. However, we do face challenges. The biggest is user adoption. How do we convince artists and collectors to actually use the platform? Another is cycle management, as running canisters sustainably requires careful ICP balance. Lastly, there is the challenge of market education, communicating why proof of process is more valuable than traditional AI detection. Our roadmap is structured into 6 distinct phases, each building upon the previous one to create a comprehensive ecosystem. In Phase 1, during Q3 2025, we focus on completing the core platform. Currently, 70% of this phase is already done. The main priorities include enhancing our backend with secure file storage, a full NFT minting pipeline, blockchain-based certificate verification, and a more advanced user profile system. On the front end, we are polishing the user experience with a full design system, responsive design. Alongside these, we are running extensive quality checks through end-to-end testing, performance audits, accessibility compliance, and security assessments. Moving to Phase 2 in Q4 2025, we will launch the plugin ecosystem, which is 20% complete. This phase introduces integrations with widely used creative tools such as Photoshop, VS Code, and Ableton. We are also developing a plugin SDK for third parties. Features will include real-time creative process logging, offline support with sync, custom events, and performance metrics, ensuring flexibility and usability across creative workflows. In Phase 3, Q1 2026, we launch our marketplace, which is already 40% underway. This will include a trading infrastructure with ordered book management, escrow services for secure transactions, royalty distribution for creators, and collection management. To drive discovery, we are adding advanced search filters, AI-powered recommendations, social engagement features, and an analytics dashboard to provide insights into market trends and performance. Phase 4, Q2 2026, focuses on advanced features. Currently 10% complete, this phase integrates AI to assist in verifying creative processes, scoring quality, predicting trends, and moderating content. For enterprise use, we will offer API access, white label solutions, advanced analytics, and compliance tools tailored to organizations and businesses. Looking ahead to Phase 5 in 2026, we begin ecosystem expansion. This includes cross-chain interoperability with Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana, enabling multi-chain NFTs. On the user side, we will release mobile applications for iOS and Android, complete with integrated wallets and AR/VR support for immersive experiences. Finally, Phase 6 between 2026 and 2027 will focus on global scale. We will roll out multi-language support across more than 20 languages, ensure regional compliance with GDPR, CCPA, and local laws, and build partnerships with regional creative communities. On the institutional side, we aim to collaborate with museums, educational platforms, governments, and corporate teams to drive adoption at scale. In conclusion, OriginStamp offers a unique and necessary solution to one of the most pressing issues in the creative industry. By recording the creative process itself and issuing certificates of authenticity on-chain, we restore trust, protect artists, and create a new provenance standard fit for the AI era. With a strong team, a clear business model, powerful integration with ICP, and a vast market opportunity, we believe OriginStamp has the potential to become the trusted foundation of authenticity in the age of AI.